everyone, so today's video is going to be on some quick and easy fixes for when your jeans just feel so uncomfortable, because there is nothing worse than that. So I really hope you enjoy this video and find it helpful, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first tip would be to of course wash your jeans, but don't wash them very often, just because the more you wear them in, the more comfortable and looser they will become. But when you do wash your jeans, make sure to use a fabric softener, because this really helps them to stop being so stiff and rigid. Which brings me on to my next tip, which is to dry the waistband with a hairdryer to loosen it, because if you do dry your clothes outside, they can get pretty rigid. So by using some heat on it like the hairdryer, this will really help them to have a little more give, which of course will make them more comfortable too. If you always feel uncomfortable in your jeans because you feel the fabric is too thick and sturdy, it might be a good idea to switch to a more stretchy jean with a stretch blend material. These materials are much softer on the skin and feel very similar to leggings, so you're able to move around in them a lot easier. So check to see what your jeans are made out of. The stretchy ones will usually have a mix of elastic with cotton, whereas the more tougher real jean materials tend to be 100% cotton. If you struggle with your jeans riding up all the time, and this can happen a lot in denim shorts too, again look to switching to a more stretch blend material, because these have a lot more give and are less likely to be uncomfortable and ride up. Sometimes our jeans may be a little bit too tight, which makes doing the front button up difficult, so a good way to fix this is to take a hair elastic or even an elastic band and place it around the button, thread the other half through the hole, and then wrap that end around the button again. This just gives you a lot more space to breathe, especially if you're sitting down, and you could cover this up with your top, or you could even hide it with a big chunky belt like this one, or even wrap a scarf around your waist, which would also cover up the button area too. And I just think it looks quite cute. I think one of the biggest struggles is finding jeans to fit perfectly on your bum and your waist, so a good trick to do is to buy jeans a waist size up, and then just use a belt to really cinch in your waist and make them fit perfectly. Obviously check to make sure the jeans fit everywhere else fine too, but this is such an easy way to achieve that hourglass look as well. Another problem I find is when my jeans dig into my hips when I sit down. Now of course an easy way to fix this would be to tuck in your top, but you can't always do this if you're wearing a crop top or something which just doesn't look right tucked in. So instead you can take a thin piece of material like this scarf and just put it around the waistband where you can feel the jeans digging in. This just creates a barrier in between your skin and the jeans and just makes sitting down a whole lot comfier. And of course, maybe you just haven't found the perfect style of jean yet. There's so many different types to flatter every body shape, so the best thing to do is to pick up lots of different styles and try each one of them on in the changing room, even if you're not sure on them, because you actually might find them really flattering and comfortable. So that is it. I really hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, because it honestly means so much to me and I love to know that what I'm doing actually helps. So have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.